so come stand right here and say anything. I'm going to see if this mic catches you as well as me.
Say anything. We look great.
Hey, how's everybody doing today? This is Rick and Igas. I got Natalia Shagalova. How do you say it?
Shagalova.
Shagalova.
But nobody can pronounce this.
Yeah.
Maybe you just can skip this.
This is Rick and Natalia, and we're here today at Natalia's property. Natalia,
It's
tell us.
not my property.
Okay, good. So we need to see how we're going to word this right. Natalia, we're sitting on this open house today, right? Tell us everything that you can about why we need to come check you out.
Well, I know today is
Am I
very...
recording? Oh, I am recording. Oh, wait, we got to go back on our mark. Okay. Okay, go back on your mark. So I'm going to have to mark it. Go this way. Perfect. Yep, I think my head's in the video. Okay, so we're recording right about now. We can start. So, good afternoon, Natalia.
Good afternoon.
How about you say good afternoon, right?
Oh, you're right.
Yep, look at the comments on this post. Whether you're on Instagram, Facebook, whichever, the link is there. Check out her Facebook page. She's got a lot of properties, so make sure you're looking at the right one. And Natalia is my confident, 100% Russian with aggression, ready to knock out every target out there and get the people in the homes, and blah, blah, blah. And it looks great. Natalia, I am so glad we're finally working together. I've been waiting for this moment. Let's sell a house.
Let's do it.
Talking about properties. We look at the camera. We're holding our hands. We're not trying to, be too wavy unless we're actually talking to grab the camera. So give it a couple seconds and we'll practice first take. All right, take one. All right.
Say something.
Let's see. How do we want to open it? Okay, here we go. How do we find out about all the pictures and everything? Tell us about what you set up.
Well, Rick, it's you can.
Oh, good. Let's get it. Okay, we'll cut and we'll come right back here at 2 to 5 p.m. today and check it out.
Yes, guys.
All right,
We'll see you here.
Let's sell this house, Natalia.
Thank you, Rick.
All right. Boom.
I almost fall down from the
On this post, regardless of where you're at, take a look at take a look at the YouTube link. Take a look at the YouTube link. Take a look at the YouTube link.